Hi, glad to see you here. If you want to know how to change default download location in the Shift browser, you've come to the right place. My name is Nick, let's get started. First of all, let's open up a browser, open it, and now we need to go to settings. To open settings, click on the gear icon at the top right, and now just scroll down to the very bottom, and here you'll find the advanced settings button. Let's click on it. Okay, finally we're in settings. Here on the left side you can find the sidebar, and now just click on the downloads tab right here. Select it. Okay, finally we are on the necessary page, and here at the very top you can find the location field. Here you can see my current download location, and for example I want to change it. To change it, just click on the change button right here and select the necessary path. For example, let's create a new folder. Just right click, new folder, downloads for example, and select this folder. Just click on this button. Let's do it. And that's all. So this is how you can easily change your download folder in Shift browser. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course leave your comments. Thank you very much. Goodbye.